Hey, it's Mr. Peace, and I'm standing in the auditorium here at Grosse Pointe South High School, formerly Grosse Pointe High School, and I'm just so honored and so blessed to be in the same spot where 54 years ago, Dr. King also spoke. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. spoke in the same auditorium back on March 14th, 1968. And I was able to do it today, here in 2022, here in May, and just incredible feeling. So humbled to be able to be speaking about, this same message of kindness and acceptance and inclusion that he spoke about in his speech titled "The Other America" on that day back in 1968. Just an incredible, amazing, super, super special moment for me. Wanted to share that with all of you, and just gonna keep following in those footsteps, right? Trying to bring change, trying to bring some healing to this planet, and keep trying to push for peace. Peace.